friends, welcome to Easy Home Gardening. In this video, we will learn how to grow bitter gourd or Karela in pots or containers. Guys, you can do seedling throughout the year, but the best time to do its seedling is when temperature ranges from 25 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius. So it means you can do seedling from February to April and in monsoon season also, that is in June or July, as during this period success rate is very high. So get good quality seeds from nearby nursery stores, or you can even check them online. These are the seeds of the bitter gourd. The outer coat or layer of bitter gourd is very hard, so soak the seeds in normal water for at least 24 hours as it will encourage seed germination. For seedling, I have taken disposable glass with a hole at the bottom for water drainage, and in this glass I have taken normal garden soil only. You can do seedling in any pot or container. Now place seeds above the soil surface and cover them with thin layer of soil. Make sure seeds are not buried too deep into the soil as it reduces the chance of seed germination. Now water the pot till soil is completely moist, and after that keep it in bright area away from direct sunlight till seeds germinate. So after 16 days, I have transplanted one healthy plant in my garden bed. And now I will make way or provide support to my vine so that it can climb upwards. Make sure your plant receives 6 to 8 hours direct sunlight for better fruiting, and it is a tall vine, so you need to provide support also. So choose your location very wisely. When your vine starts blooming, then provide organic fertilizer after every 20 to 25 days to maintain soil richness, as it will result in good fruiting. Guys, bitter gourd needs good amount of water to grow, so water regularly to maintain constant moisture in the soil. And this is the final update of my bitter gourd. Mature bitter gourd have light green color and can be of 3 to 6 inch size. Bitter gourd can be harvested after, and they can be harvested after 60 to 70 days, and the more you harvest, the more fruits will form. So this was all for this video. If you liked, then please give a thumbs up. Do share it with your gardening lover friends and family. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, hit red color subscribe button and click the bell icon next to it to get notification of my new update. We'll meet you all again with another video. Till then, thank you and happy gardening.